Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Archicad tutorial how to hide layer. So as example I will create walls and you can see in the layer here we use the structural bearing. So you can click to change in it, like I will use the default structural bearings and we use the wall tools to create wall like this. And now if you want to hide like this structural bearing layer, you can go to the document menu, click on layer and then click layer model view. So in it, you can see in the design and structural, we have the structural bearing layer. Now to hide, you can click these icons. After it, you can click OK and the object in the drawings will be automatically hide. So the structural bearings layer will be hide. To show again, you can go to document, layers, click on layers model view, and then you can click the icons to show the layer. Click OK to apply. Okay, that's it for basic Archicad tutorial how to hide layer.